Welcome to Activity 1, A Little Harder. In this activity, we will be developing fluency counting forwards in the correct order from 10 through to 20. We will also be developing the concept that each number in the counting sequence is one greater than the number before it. To complete this activity, you will need one of each block from 1 to 10, arranged in a jumbled pile within reach of both players. To complete the first activity, I have here with me Karis.
Hello.
We're going to take turns building the steps, and as we place the blocks, we need to say the correct counting word. I'll go first. 10,
11,
12,
13,
14,
15,
16,
17,
18,
19,
20. Now we're going to take turns counting. 10,
11,
12,
13,
14,
15,
16,
17,
18,
19.
20. Now it's your turn. For the second activity, we're going to be counting forwards with a missing number. So, Karis, I need you to close your eyes. I'm going to flick the spinner and remove the block that matches this. Now you can open your eyes, and I want you to count forwards again, pointing as you say each number or the space. Off you go.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
And I'll put that back. Good, keep going.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Then we could swap. I'll close my eyes and you could spin. Now it's your turn. For the third activity on this board, we're going to practice counting forwards from any number. So Karis, you close your eyes. I'm going to spin the spinner. I will leave the blocks up to the number spun, split the steps and remove them after the number spun. Now Karis, you open your eyes. Keep counting, starting at 13 and touch the space.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Great. And then we could swap and you could spin and hide the blocks. Now it's your turn.